Shooting the messenger, my friend. You are shooting the messenger instead of reading the message.
That means
Okay. Rahul Srivastava is our National Affairs Director. Please do not make any personal attacks on our National Affairs. Rahul Srivastava is a journalist of over 30 years. But anyway, Guru Prakash, please respond. Please respond. So please respond, Guru Prakash.
On this, and then maybe we could have taken a decision. There's nothing very urgent on this because we are already in a pandemic crisis. We are already in a COVID crisis. We could have waited, discussed, debated this further, and maybe we could have come out with a decision on this. See, nobody wants to go against the farmer. I don't know why the government is going against the farmer. Where will the farmer see? More than 86% of the farmers have less than 5 acres of land in this country. They have very small produce. Where will they take their produce and go? If you do away with the APMC markets, if you do away with the mandis, where will these people go? Then they will have to go via the traders, via the commission agents, via the bicholis, via the middlemen. And then there's no guarantee of minimum support price to them. What will you do if the deputy chairman doesn't looks at you, doesn't sees you, doesn't look at you, doesn't hear you, doesn't even want to consider that you exist in the parliament, and then he keeps on the dictating terms.
Maria, I think it is exactly where the problem was with the ruling party. Mr. GVL Narasimha Rao, the BJP spokesperson, is lying to the nation that somebody wanted to give blows to the deputy chairman on that day. I think nobody would have done that, and nobody was near doing that. The results that have come so far in Karnataka, I think there's not much of a difference between BJP, whatever the result comes, BJP is leading into around 10,800 seats, and Congress is leading in 8,600 seats. Okay? They are in power, we are in opposition. They are in power, we are in opposition. And Karnataka has a history where when we were in power, we had almost got about 60% of the seats, and BJP had got about 45 or 48%, or 45%, we had got about 55, 58%, that kind of thing. I think it is exactly the reversal of what we are seeing today.
Very unfortunate that you would shoot the messenger.
You do not even,
very unfortunate.
you do not even listen.
Uncalled for.
You do not even know my name.
We had the numbers. We had the numbers. Now I know your name, Rahul.
Mr.
Whatever your name is, Rahul.
Rahul Gandhi raises the point.
You are defending the
Rahul Gandhi raises the point.
You are defending
If these laws were so good,
Rajya Sabha, if he really thinks that everyone who is elected to the Rajya Sabha has the right to speak for and against the bills, if he thinks that Rajya Sabha should function in a way it functions because it is the house of the elders in this country, then he should go to he should not beat the 8 suspended MPs. He should go and meet the Vice President, the Chairman of the House, and seek for the revocation of the suspension of these 8 MPs. And then he should also promise to the MPs that he will again conduct a vote on these 3 bills, and after that there will be no issues between the opposition and the people that are there in
The
power.
chairperson said, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu said that not once but at least 13 times the deputy chairman agreed to a division of votes, but you people had made up your mind that you want to protest.
If you see every single audio or video clip that is available in public domain, you can hear voices where we have been shouting for the country. He has been speaking, he has been airing the grievances of the farmers, he has been raising the issue of the farmers, and he was with the farmers in a huge tractor rally in Punjab, in Haryana, and in Rajasthan. It was the Congress party and the members of Parliament from the Congress party who started and raised this opposition against the farm laws in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Again, immediately after that, he went and travelled the entire northwestern India in defence and in favour of the Congress, in favour of the farmers. Now the point is, if there is, if any politician, for instance, sure. Again, nothing personal against Tom, but I am sad that in similar situations he lied to the media, and then he had to do a cover-up. what I am doing today is not lying to the media or not doing a cover up. I am just stating the facts to the people of this country, because a section of the media and the Bharatiya Janata Party complete leadership is since yesterday night they have been misleading the people of this country that he is on vacation. Point number one. Point number two is, see, the BJP should be either accusing him of hijacking the entire farmers education, or they should say that कोई स्टेबल नजर आया तो वो कृषि का सेक्टर, तो ऐसे लोगों के पक्ष में हम लोग को खड़ा होना है। तो बात सारे लोग रखे, बातचीत बहुत गर्मा गर्मी भी बहस हुई, बहुत अच्छी भी बहस हुई। उसके बाद 1 बजे जब टाइम खत्म हो रहा था, जनरली ऐसा होता है कि चेयरमैन और डिप्टी चेयरमैन जो भी प्रिसाइड करते हैं वो अपोजिशन लीडर्स को और पूरे हाउस के मेंबर से एक सेंस लेते हैं, क्या हम टाइम को आगे बढ़ा के बात करें। अभी मंत्री को जवाब देना था, कुछ लोगों को बात रखना था, उसके बाद में बहुत सारे अमेंडमेंट्स इस बिल को लेके थे और बहस ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ವೋಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಾಮ ಆಯಿತು, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋಗನರಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತು 8 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಸೂದೆಗೆ, ಕೃಷಿ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಮಸೂದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು
it is not that Congress is completely disseminated here. Congress has got about 8,600 seats so far, and they have got about 10,500 seats. It's not much of it. I agree that we are less than the BJP here, but you should also understand these elections are not fought on paper. These elections are generally fought with the help of the MLAs.
Sir, I am on a very simple
and they have
point.
More number of MLAs.
You know, Mr. Hussain, I am on a very simple point today.
This is what
Last
happened when
1
we were in
month.
power.
किसकी वजह से खड़ा हुआ होना? हंगामा जिस तरह से डिप्टी चेयरमैन साहब बिल को बुलडोज करना चाह रहे थे, बिना वोटिंग करवाए, बिना डिवीजन करवाए बिल को पास करवाना चाह रहे थे, उसकी वजह से हंगामा हो गया। और हंगामा, स्लोगनरिंग, ये सभी अपोजिशन पार्टीज की तरफ से चलता है। मैं उनको सिर्फ ये याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि स्वर्गीय अरुण जेटली साहब और स्वर्गीय सुषमा स्वराज साहिबा दोनों भी ये कहा था कि डिस्ट्रप्शन इज द राइट ऑफ द अपोजिशन। जब वो अपोजिशन में रहते हैं तो वो डिस्ट्रप्शन कर सकते हैं, जब वो सरकार सत्ता में होते हैं तो